Sparky Sparks here, who are ready to join the day. We're at Lake Arrowhead and taking a walk down here by the lake. So this is the yacht club, and this is opened just from Memorial Day to Labor Day. And so it's a very short season. And in the summertime, you'll see tons of boats here. So very cool. Okay, somebody's out on the water. That is awesome. You can see it's a very quiet day on the lake. Hopefully they know each other, because I'm thinking, big lake, why do you have to be in each other's wake, right? I don't know. Maybe that's just me. And so this is a sports workout area down here, and we're walking right by the doors. So this is where I used to do Pilates. They used to be located here in the village, and she's moved over by my dentist, which is also still very convenient. And you can see it's just looks kind of desolate right now because it's wintertime. And those are condos, and then the resort is there in the distance. So it's just a nice quiet day in the village. There is a tea place, a tea and coffee place. So, oh, look at this. Look what I found. A little Christmas tree to sit by. Not decorated yet, but kind of fun. So if you have questions about wearing wigs or how or why, please drop me a DM and ask. I'm happy to answer questions. This is a new experience for me. It's been life-changing, I will tell you that. There is a learning curve because everybody has an opinion. As you will see as you start to wear wigs, everybody has something to say, whether they liked you before or don't understand this new transformation or why you feel so happy. So just hang in there. It's a journey worth going on. Absolutely. And I'm always here to help. Make it a great day.